Are you tired of hearing this? Yeah, me too. It's aggravating. A lot of people try those little felt bumpers to put on, and hey, they help a little bit, but you're still slamming the door closed. Not exactly ideal. Now, there's other alternatives. The best is soft close hinges. But the thing is, I knew somebody that was quoted a price to have a handyman install soft close hinges in a smaller size kitchen. It was over $900. 900 bucks. Wow. But today, I'm going to show you how you can do it for less than $100. You don't need to be a carpenter or a handyman. If you know how to use a screwdriver, you can do this. So let's get started. So let's start with what most people do. They buy these little felt bumpers, and you probably have them somewhere in the house. They're cheap, they're quick, and sure, the door still slams shut. You're just muting the noise, you're not fixing it. Now, you might have seen these. These are called soft close dampers. You just take them, you push them up against the frame, up near the corner of your cabinet, screw them in, and you're done. Now, I've tried them, and yeah, they slow the door down, but look at this damper and where it hits against the door. After a time, it loosens the hinge and also can ruin the joints of the door and damage it. See this one? How it ruined this joint? Plus, they wear out over a short period of time and have to be replaced. So what's the best solution? Replace the actual hinge with the soft close version. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do. So here's what I recommend. Instead of having somebody come in and purchase the hinges for you and install them, which could cost you close to $1,000, you can order soft close hinges online. These, like the type we put in our house, look at this. So we have about 28 doors total, and we have 2 hinges on each door, so that's 56 hinges. I bought these 60 hinges for just a little over $1 a piece. That's a huge savings. And the nice thing with the built-in close feature, there's no extra parts needed. The nice part about them is that they're fully adjustable. If you look at the difference between the standard hinge and the self-close hinge, you can see the self-closing part on it right here. But also, this one only has 1 screw to adjust. The new ones have 3 screws. An up, down, in and out, side to side. You can order these online. So I'll leave a link in the description where they have these, and they have other types too that you can order. So let me show you how easy they are to install. You want to start with the first hinge and just unscrew it. And as long as these are good, just keep those in there. The new ones will come with some, but you don't need to use them if these are good. It's a lot faster, so I just take these off. And all you have to do, just take the hinge like this, put it on here, put the screws back in. Make sure you don't over tighten them. And this one's going to go right here. And that's it. So next we'll do the top one, and this door will be done. So on the top hinge, I like to hold on to the cabinet and the door. Now, as far as adjusting the cabinet, I always try to make sure that these look parallel with the other doors or with the side of your cabinet. See where it's put together here? Just make sure these 2 lines are parallel, and the bottom. Then the only other thing we have to look at is how it is closing against the cabinet itself. So on the side of the cabinet, you'll notice that it has a gap here. On the top, it's touching. So with the new hinges, we have the perfect adjustment for it. So let's show you how to adjust it. Top hinge will keep the same. The bottom hinge is all that needs to be adjusted. So you'll see on this screw inside here, this is to go up and down. See the arrows? This screw is to go in and out. So what we want to do is we want to move this bottom part in. So let's move this screw right here. And make sure you use a manual screwdriver because you just have to turn it a little bit. See how it goes in? Let's turn it a little bit and let's try it. A little bit further. So since we have this screw maxed out all the way and it still has a little bit of a gap, let's go to the top one and move it the opposite way. So this one we were turning counterclockwise. This one on top will turn clockwise. Same screw. A little bit more. Now that we have both screws adjusted, look at the gap on it now. And that's it. Now let's try the door. Much, much nicer. And you did it yourself. So if you have a fairly small size kitchen or just a mid-sized kitchen, you're probably only talking a couple, 2-3 hours at the most to do this and get it done. So now that you have your hinge installed, all you have to do is just make sure it closes flush. There's no more rubbing, no more gaps, or no more weird spaces on them. Everything closes nice and smooth. You can still put the bumpers on there. It's always nice to have the felt bumpers. So now listen to this. Door closes nice and smooth. That's the sound of peace and quiet. No more slamming doors, no more scuffs on your cabinets, and you didn't spend a fortune getting it done. I knew you could do it. So if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so YouTube can notify you each and every time I upload a new video. It really helps support the channel and helps others find this content too so they can be helped with their projects. And check out the description below for product links. I've added the exact hinges I've used plus other items I think you might need. And check out my Amazon storefront. It has our favorite tools, our gadgets, and products that we use and recommend. They're all categorized so you can easily find what you're looking for. We update it often and add things that we feel would be of good use to our viewers. And if you'd like to help support the channel, hit the Buy Me a Coffee link below. It means a lot. And don't forget, check out some of my other videos. I'll leave a link in the description, or you can hit up here in the corner and I'll show you some of the other videos that might just be the one you need for the next project that you're working on. So thanks for watching. You take care and God bless.